Creating lists. A list is a collection of related items that can be used to represent information in pointed form. In our daily routine, we have to write many things such as list of items required for a festival and list of steps to make a dish. List feature of HTML5 allows us to display this type of information on the web page in an organized manner. There are three types of lists named ordered list, unordered list, and definition list that can be created in HTML5 to display the items in the form of list. Let us learn about these in detail. Ordered list. An ordered list is also called the numbered list. This type of list is used to display the items in a sequential manner, for example, steps in an algorithm, etc. In HTML, the OL tag is used to create an ordered list. The LI tag is used to define an item in the list. It can be used as an empty tag as well as a container tag. The OL tag have two attributes named type and start, which you can use in the following way. OL type is equal to A will start the list from A. OL type is equal to A start 4 will start the list from D. OL type is equal to 1 start 25 will start the list from 25. OL type I start 2 will start the list from 2. OL type I start 4 will start the list from 4. Below table shows different examples of the type attribute. Type A, numbering or alphabetical scheme, uppercase letters. Examples A, B, C, D. A, lowercase letters, A, B, C, D. I, uppercase Roman numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lowercase Roman numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us use the OL tag. Unordered lists. An unordered list is also called bulleted list. This type of list is generally used to display random items which never require to place in a sequential manner. The UL tag is used to define an unordered list. The UL tag has only type attribute which describe the type of bullet style will appear with list items. There are three bullet styles that can be used in an unordered list: disk, circle, square. The default bullet style is disk in HTML. Let us use the UL tag to create an unordered list. Every list has the ability to be placed inside another list. For example, an ordered list can be nested inside an unordered list and vice versa. Ensure that the inner and outer list tags should be properly closed while creating nested list. Definition list. The definition list is also known as description list. The description list is created by using the DL tag in conjunction with DD and DT tags. The DL tag defines the entire description list. The DT tag defines the description term. The DD tag defines the description term's definition. Let us use the DL tag to create a definition list. Creating tables. Tables represent the data in the form of rows and columns. In HTML5, a table is created by using the table tag. The table tag should be defined inside the body tag. It is a container tag. Different kinds of tables can be created by using the following child tags of the table tag. TR, this tag is used for defining table rows. TD, this tag is used for defining table data, that is the data of the cells. Caption, this tag is used for defining the title of the table. TH, this tag is used for defining table headings. Following is an example of a table. Table student. Student's record, where table student is the title of the table which can be inserted by using the caption tag. Roll number, name, grade, and gender are the table headings that can be created by using the TH tag. CSS properties used with table tag. CSS provides various properties which can be used with table tag to accomplish various tasks. They are border, border style, border color, border spacing, width, padding, background color, and color. These are global properties of CSS, which means that these can be used with any element of HTML. Let us see how to use these properties with table tag while creating a table in HTML. Using border property, The border property of CSS allows you to apply a border to an element of HTML like table. For example, preceding code will apply a border of 2px to the table. Using border style property, the border style property is used to apply outline style of border of the table or any other element. To use this property, it is necessary to use the border property. CSS provides different types of border styles which are dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset, none, and hidden. You can use any one of these styles at a time. If you use the none style, the border will not appear. For example, using border color property, the border color property allows you to apply a color to the border. For example, let us create a table using the above properties. In the preceding code, you have seen that rows are created by using the tr tag. Rows are further divided into cells by using the td tag. These cells contain data of the table. Using border spacing property, the border spacing property is used to specify the space between the borders of adjacent cells. For example, using border spacing property. Using width property, the width property is used to specify the width of a box or table. 100% width will capture the complete width of the web page. For example, using padding property, the padding property is used to specify the space around the content of a cell and the border of the cell in a table. For example, using background color property. The background color property is used to specify the color for the background in a table on the web page. You can apply color in a cell, row, or entire table. For example, using color property, the color property is used to specify the text color. For example, the td tag. The td tag stands for table data. It is used to fill the data in the table cells. Following are the attributes used to present the cell or table data in more effective manner. Row span. The row span attribute applies when a single cell is extended for more than a single row. That is, the cell spans for 2 or more rows instead of 1 as shown in below table. Here, the cell sports is taking a span of 3 rows and martial arts is taking a span of 2 rows. Example for using row span attribute is col span. The col span attribute applies when a single cell is extended to more than a single column. That is, the cell spans for 2 or more columns instead of 1 as shown in table below. Table with col span. Here name cell is taking a span of 2 columns. The tr tag. The tr stands for table row, which is used to start a row and ends up with /tr. It is a container tag.